Morning children, today we will be doing the comprehension exercise and all the other exercises of your poem number 5, Five Little Brothers. Let's start with the comprehension now. True or false? Five little friends sat down to play. No, that was false. First one. Second one. Their carriage was made of leather. That is true. Three of them were large and two were small in size. False, because one of them was large and three were little smaller and one was very small. That was wee fellow. Okay. Fourth one. There was plenty of space inside the garage to play. That is also false because it was very less roomy. They were playing in a they were having a very good time inside their garage. That is also false. They were not having space and they were gloomy. Okay, हमने पढ़ा था ना. Look at these word meanings. Then you will get to know कि exactly क्या मतलब है जो words मैं कह रही हूँ उनका. B. Answer the following questions briefly. Who were the five little brothers? They were the toes. Okay. Explain the poem in your own words. Children, देखो ये बहुत important question है आपके book का. Explain the poem in your own words. यानी कि आपको poem को अपने words में explain करना है. इसका एक मतलब, इस क्वेश्चन का एक मतलब ये भी होता है कि आपको पोएम का समरी लिखना है. समरी का मतलब होता है उसका भावार्थ जो होता है ना, हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, वो समरी होता है. ओके, यानी कि जो भी आपको समझ में आया है वो लिखना है आपको. उसका एक कंक्लूजन लिखना है कि आपने पोएम में क्या पढ़ा है, उसका अर्थ लिखना है आपको. That is called summary. Okay, so you all will do it on your own and you will send it to me. And children, ये सारा comprehension आपको अपनी notebook में लिखना है और मुझे भेजना है as homework. Let's do the next one. C. Find words from the poem that mean the same as the following. इसमें आपको इन phrases का word poem में से ढूंढ के यहाँ लिखना है. You will do it on your own. This I will not tell you. I want all of you to find. You can refer to the word meaning also. You will get to know the answers. Let's do the next one. Children, literary appreciation हमने पहले ही कर लिया है कल. Listen and tell we will not do. Be creative we will do. Write a poem about the moon using words given in the help box. You can use your own words too. इसमें भी आपको अपने आप से करना है. I will not be telling you anything. इसमें आपको एक पोएम बनाना है. इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके आप अपने आप से भी वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको ये वाले वर्ड्स ज़रूर यूज़ करने हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट अ पोएम अबाउट मून यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे चिल्ड्रन. सिर्फ आज इतना ही होमवर्क है एंड इतना ही क्लास वर्क है. आई एक्सपेक्ट 110% अटेंडेंस for homework. Please all of you send me your homework. You all have not been doing very well in your exams. You all need to work really hard for English. And for that you need to cooperate with me. Send me homework on time so that I can tell you your mistakes and your gray areas wherever you need to work. So it'll be very good for all of you to send me homework for your own good. Alright children, thank you so much, and whatever confusions you have, you can please contact me. I'm always available for all of you. Thank you so much.